Good morning, dear student. Ionic equilibrium. In this video, we are going to discuss about easy way to solve molar solubility, S value from solubility constant. The solubility of silver chloride with the solubility product 1.6 into 10 power minus 10 in 0.1 molar NaCl solution, sodium chloride solution would be, what is the answer? Now I write the equation first. Two compounds are given, one is AgCl, another one is NaCl. Silver chloride, AgCl, undergo ionization, AgCl. A solid on ionization when dissolved in water gives Ag plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. Ag plus aqueous, Cl plus aqueous. Solubility product of the above equation, K solubility product is equal to, what is the formula? Concentration of Ag plus ion and concentration of Cl minus ion. One more compound given is sodium chloride in our formula, NaCl, sodium chloride. NaCl undergo ionization gives Na plus ion and Cl minus ion. Concentration of sodium chloride is given in our problem 0.1 molar. Number of moles 1, therefore here 0.1, here also 0.1. The solubility of silver plus ion is S before 1, therefore 1s, S before 1, therefore 1s. To find out solubility, we require Ag plus ion concentration and Cl minus ion concentration. So, Ag plus ion concentration equal to 1s only. Cl minus ion concentration is equal to, here S, here 0.1. First equation also we are having Cl minus ion, second equation also we are having Cl minus ion. Therefore, S plus 0.1, S plus 0.1. When compared with any number, S value is negligible, therefore here answer is 0.1, that is nothing but 10 power minus 1. Substitute these two values in this equation. The above equation is K solubility product equal to concentration of Ag plus ion is S, Cl minus ion is 10 power minus 1. K solubility product is given in our problem, that is 1.6 into 10 power minus 10 equal to S into 10 power minus 1. Bring 10 power minus 1 to the left hand side, it becomes S equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 10 divided by 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 10 get cancelled. So, molar solubility equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 9. So, this is the molar solubility calculation from solubility product value. We are also going to discuss one more problem. If the solubility product of lead iodide is 3.2 into 10 power minus 8, its solubility will be, as usual, now I write the formula equation PbI2 in solid state when dissolved in water H2O undergo ionization gives Pb2 plus ion plus 2I minus ion. K solubility, only one compound is given in our problem. K solubility product equal to concentration of Pb2 plus ion into concentration of I minus ion square. K solubility product is given in our problem. The right hand side quantity we can determine from the equation. Pb2 plus ion concentration molar solubility is taken as S because before Pb2 plus only one number of moles. I minus concentration is also S before I 2 moles of I. Substitute these two values in this equation and also the Ksp value. Solubility product is 3.2 into 10 power minus 8 equal to Pb2 plus concentration S, I minus concentration 2S the square. So 3.2 into 10 power minus 8 equal to 2 square equal to 4, S squared into S equal to 4S cube, or S cube, bring the 4 to the left hand side, it becomes 3.2 into 10 power minus 8 by 4. When we cancel these two, 1 4 is 4. How many 4s are 3.2? 0.84s are 3.2. That is equal to 0.8 into 10 power minus 8 is S cube. To calculate S, now convert this 0.8 into whole number. So 8 into 10 power minus 9. S is equal to cube root of this quantity. 8 into 10 power minus 9 power 1 by 3. That is equal to, we can write that 8 as 2 power 3 into 10 power minus 9 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Now cancel. This 3 get cancel. 1 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Cube root of the right hand side value is 2 into 10 power minus 3. This is the solubility, molar solubility of lead iodide that can be calculated from solubility product value. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please Okay, thank you.